Good morning. So, have you ever thought about that most of the planets in our solar system have pairs? Earth and Venus, Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The only two planets that don't have a pair is Mars and Mercury. And as you know, Mercury in Vedic astrology does not care about having children, does not care about wanting to get married. Mars itself is connected to Hanumana Brahmacharya. But Mars is cuts. That's why Mars can cut you in a relationship. Because Mars was cut off from its original planetary alignment because Mars was actually a moon of a particular planet that was destroyed and made it into a Kuiper belt. So this is how, once you understand this, you realize there's some understanding of the rishis to how the planets are operating. And in Vedic cosmology, it is said that planets were born out of the sun. And there's a theory, old theory, which also is now kind of regurgitating itself or finding its rebirth, is that planets were born out of the equator of the sun due to its spin, because it was spinning so fast that it just threw out these giant ball of fires out in space that ultimately became planets. So it's a theory. Everything is a theory right now, but just to understand these pairing part, like the nakshatra pairing, that's where you can start to understand planets. Okay, and I know moon is not really a planet. It's more of a satellite. Okay. But as far as planets are concerned, you can understand a whole lot. Like Jupiter and Saturn is Dharma Karma Adhipati Yoga. So there's a pair about it. Moon and Venus both have directional strength in the fourth house. Uranus and Neptune kind of represent a very similar mysterious energy together. So interesting concept.